Well, here we are. 50 commands, 10 stages, and roughly 8 hours later, you've gone from staring at a blinking cursor to running the terminal like it's your second language. You started with PWD, just asking where am I, and now you can navigate, search, set permissions, pipe data, and archive entire directories without breaking a sweat. This isn't the finish line, it's the unlock. Every Linux server, every Docker container, every cloud VM out there speaks the language you now understand. And here's the whole arsenal, laid out in one view, every command you've learned, color-coded by the stage where you met it. Look across those rows, from PWD and LS at the top, all the way down to tar, zip, and the pipe operators that tie everything together. Each one of these used to be a stranger. Now they're muscle memory. This grid isn't a study sheet anymore. It's a map of what's already in your fingers. And now the moment of truth. Read this one-liner. It finds old log files in var log, measures their size, sorts to grab the top 5, bundles them into a timestamp tarball, and then writes a confirmation to the backup log, all in a single chain. 8 weeks ago, this would have looked like hieroglyphics. Today, you can trace every pipe, every flag, every stage. That's not memorization, that's fluency. So let's zoom out and look at what that fluency actually means in the real world. You can now SSH into a remote server and feel at home. You can diagnose a sluggish system with PS, top, DF, and DU. You can interrogate any log file with grep, sort, and unic, archive, and ship data with tar and SCP, manage permissions without locking yourself out, and chain it all into one-line solutions. These aren't classroom exercises. They're the daily work of sysadmins, developers, DevOps, and data engineers. And that opens up the bigger question: where do you go next? You've got 50 commands in your toolkit, and from here the road forks into 3 natural directions. Go deeper into Linux itself with systemed, networking, and shell scripting through the mastery tracks. Lift those skills into the cloud with Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform. Or turn toward defense, SSH hardening, firewalls, Linux. Pick the one that genuinely calls you. But before you walk out that door, there's one last challenge. A real capstone to prove what you can do. Write a system audit script that stamps the date, captures the top CPU hogs, checks disk usage, counts who's logged in, finds recently modified files in, etc., archives the whole thing into a timestamp tarball, and logs a success line. Try it yourself first, then peek at the solution on the right and see how your version compares. And that's it. You made it. Thousands start a Linux course, very few reach lesson 50, and you just did. The terminal isn't foreign territory anymore. It's a language you speak. So keep practicing, keep breaking things in safe sandboxes, and keep reaching for man when you're stuck. The first 50 are done. The next 50,000 are yours to discover. Thank you for taking this journey.